It is just a 3-step process to fix audio problem in Windows 10. On the right bottom side, right click here and select playback devices. Now on this window, you have to select audio device which is connected to your system. Then click on properties, go to advanced tab, click here and select highest sample rate. Then click on apply and then OK. Now click on OK. Now go to search bar and type device manager, and from the search result click here to open it. It will open device manager. Then expand sounds, video and game controllers. Right click on it and just click on uninstall device. Then select it and you can restart your system. In the next step, go to search bar and type control panel. From the search result, click here to open it. Then click on sounds. Now select this and click on properties. Then go to enhancement tab. Then check this option. Click on apply and then OK. Then just click on OK and close all windows one by one. Again go to search bar and type run. Click here. Then type services.msc and click on OK. It will open services. On this window you have to search for Windows Audio. Right click on it and select restart. Wait for some time. Now close this window. In the final step, go to search bar and type cmd. Right click here and select run as administrator. Now select S. Now type this command carefully. Type prompt and hit enter. Then type sfc/scan file equal to c:/windows/system32/ieframe.dll and hit enter. Then type sfc/verify file equal to c:/windows/system32/ieframe.dll and hit enter. Then type ASSOC and hit enter. And finally type exit to close the command prompt. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.